To world, it's your boy Dusty Diesel Technician back with another fun tool review today. I'm gonna be checking out this 3/4 inch ratchet, man, because it's a little loud on the inside and clunky, so I'm gonna go ahead and grease the inside of it, man. Check out the inside of it while we doing that. I got a bunch of ratchets in here I need to grease because a lot of them sounding dry. I got my toolbox in my house because I'm doing mobile service now. I'm working for myself now, so all I do is I take one of these small toolboxes from out the back. I got my ramp right there, and I'll load that up for whatever job I need to go on from, and then I'll get the tools out of this box for that job and take the little toolbox and go on my way. But yeah, we're going to open up this big Craftsman ratchet, man. This is a big ratchet. Big ratchet. We're going to open it up. Okay, so what you do is you take an 1/8 of an inch Allen key for these bolts here. Little Allen head bolts. Yeah. Another one. So I'm wondering, do I gotta take out that handle, that small handle one right there? We'll see. Flip them over. Boom. It's made just like the smaller ones on the inside. Look at that big gear. Look at that. Wow. It's a little oil right there on the shield, but not enough for me. Look at this big thing. I don't want this one to fall, because then you have a problem getting that little ball. Look at that. Alright, so let's get some grease in there on that thing, man. Alright, so we got a little grease here. What I'll do is I'll go around. So that. Get me some grease out of here. And just hit it on the inside. Like that. I ain't gonna overkill. And that's all I'm gonna do to it. I ain't gonna overkill it. Just the remainder on here. I don't need to overkill it. Just want a little grease on it. Alright, so to get this back in, I'm gonna set the switch to the middle position. Sometimes you have a problem. If you don't, set it to the middle, then it'll fall right in, boom. You got it back in. You drop the screws in. Yeah, these are an 1/8 of an inch, 1/8. Whoop. I can hear my son waking up upstairs. I need this size so I can put it on my drill. I need this size bit. These are some pretty long rocket scientists screwing them in on the wrong side. Okay, so we finally got him back in on the right side. Got him in there. Now let's see how it sounds with a little grease. Switch it back the other way. Sounds a little better than it did before. But it's a big ass wrench, so it ain't gonna get but so quiet. Not that many teeth on the gear. So, we have greased the gears. Thanks for watching.